Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add background music in Clipchamp. First of all, go to your Windows search bar and search for Clipchamp. After that, click on this Microsoft Clipchamp and make sure you have downloaded the Clipchamp in your PC or laptop. If you are a Windows 11 user, then by default it will be downloaded on your device. But if you are not one of them, then you have to download it from Microsoft Store. Once you have opened the Clipchamp app, make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now, click on Create a New Video option and you will be redirected to this type of interface. Here, you have different options to optimize your project. So click on Import Media and then select the target video. After that, drag and drop that video onto the timeline. Once you've done that, click on Content Library and select Music. Here, you have different collections of music, so select according to your need. Once you have selected one, choose any music from inside of it. Now, you can click on this plus icon to add it, or you can simply drag and drop that music to your timeline. After that, adjust the music according to your video. Once done, you can click on this export button to export your video. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.